Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, rear heated seats, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.